In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your board in Miro. So once you're on Miro, right, and you're on home or in your board, you can click the three dots on the right hand side. That's for options and you can share your board. As you can see, the first option in the list is share. You click on that. And from here, you can enter the email address or even invite someone, right? That can be through Slack, through their Google account, or even through Microsoft. It's really up to you. Or you can just simply go ahead and copy the link to the board. As you can see, copy team invite link, and you can easily go ahead and share that link with the person. You also have the option as well to choose the type of, let's say, rights you want to give to them. So that can only be view, comment, edit, or even it says no access, right? But anyways, you get the general idea. And so you can even make it the link visible to anyone with the link can access that, right? And here you can simply manage the access as well. So you can change those different access right here and even add people. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can easily share your board on Miro.